Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted posts on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, Instagram stores deleted posts, reels, and stories in the recently deleted folder for up to 30 days or 24 hours for unarchived stories. Now, that is before permanently deleting them from their servers. Now, to restore it, just go ahead over to your profile right here, tap on the three horizontal lines, and then just find the Your Activity section right here. Now go ahead and find the recently deleted section, tap on it, and you'll be able to see it right here. For example, this one, you can just tap on More and then Restore. All right. So if this is a post or a story, it will be restored in either post or story. Now, say, for example, you have archived the specific post. Well, just go ahead and go back right here. You'll find Archive. For example, this is my archived post. I can just easily tap on the two horizontal lines and then Show on Profile. Show on Profile. Will be restored. All right, just like so. And those are the ways to recover deleted posts on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.